Hey everyone, it's Linus with Hitching Up and Moving On. My wife Dana, super excited about coffee.
Because I love coffee.
And we are at a coffee place here, Copper Mountain Coffee. She has no idea what she's going to get. She wants a little bit of everything, one of everything probably.
No, well, I'm going to let them kind of decide for me.
We're going to wander up there in a little bit and see what we get after this guy that's cutting grass is done in the rain. So, but maybe we'll get a little video for you.
Yeah, we are in the Northwest, and it is coffee territory.
Yeah, there must be one of these on every block of different ones.
Yeah, there are, I think, 5 or 6, maybe even more little drive-up coffee places just here in Columbia Falls. And I'd hate to think how many we passed in the towns on our way. Yeah. So, we'll see. It looks awful cute.
It's kind of fun in a way.
Yeah.
To see something different that you, besides Starbucks and...
Yeah. Yeah.
My wipers on. We're in the rain, so I was going to have a good picture of the building real quick. Or not a picture, but
oh, coffee of the day, honey and maple.
Missing.
Okay.
We have like, oh wait. Ah. Here you go.
Oh. Okay. Is this still?
It might be. I was leaving it on so we can finish this up at the end. You can show them what it looks like, and if you open it, and I don't know if it's got a pretty swirl.
No, it's just got the milky top.
Yeah.
But I'm ready to take a drink.
Well, mine will not have a lid on, I don't think.
Oh gosh, it's good.
Is it?
Very good.
It smells good.
Very nice coffee. The coffee has a really good flavor. It's very rich.
Do you want a sweet?
Yeah, why not?
You guys
Thank
have
you.
a lovely rest of your trip.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Yep. Thanks. Don't hit the mirror.
No.
I don't want a broken mirror on the way home. So cheers to me.
Okay. I'm gonna stop for a second.
I'm going to stop over here in the spot where we can stop safely so we are not getting in trouble by somebody. And we'll be cross double lined here.
Okay.
What?
All right, so let's see what you got there. We got a Campfire.
Ooh. My God. Tastes like a marshmallow coffee.
Really?
Careful, it's really full.
Okay.
Let me see. Oh, that's me. Is it good?
Oh, mine. Oh.
Good enough, I'm licking the lid.
It does taste like marshmallow.
That's pretty near good. Well, everybody, thanks for watching. This is Linus and Dana with Hitch Up and Moving On. And please like and subscribe to our channel. This is just a short video.
And the rest is yet to drink.
Aha.